heal this area that's been neglected. And so instead of necessarily focusing on that cartilage itself, it focuses on reducing that pain and improving your function.
And this is something I think we see on social media and even, just from influencers on podcasts. And there's a lot of clinics advertising amniotic or umbilical cord stem cells from donor tissue. Are these actually live, viable stem cells, or is using a patient's own bone marrow and fat the only true way to get autologous cellular therapy?
Yeah, the latter is the true answer. These umbilical and amniotic, if they survive the processing, they will usually die in your body because your body will reject them, and they are currently not allowed by the FDA.